Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make a gaming setup from Monke Blocks. For the legs, all 4 of them, I need 2 of these and put them together. Then you're gonna need 1 of these and put them like that and put them on the ground. And grab another one and then put another one of those legs on it. Now you have part of a table. So to connect like the middle part, you're gonna grab one of these and put it like on the back like that. I'm just gonna move it. And then you can put it in the middle. Grab another one and do the exact same thing. And then also put it in the middle. Grab another one and then put another leg on it. And then set it down. Grab another one, do the exact same thing, put a leg on it, and then put it in the corner. Now we have our table. But where's the computer? That's what we're doing right now. I'll just put you right there. That's perfect. That's good. So let's build the computer. Okay, so you just wanna go over here and grab one of these. Go over here and grab one of these and put it like that, and put it like that. Grab another one of these and put 2 of those, then put another one. You have your monitor, and then you want to go over here and then put it like wherever you like. I'll just put it in the middle. And then it's time for the keyboard. Grab some of these, and then grab one of these and put it in the middle as like the space bar. Grab one of these, put it here. Grab another one of these, put it here. Also, you can do like it in any order you want. But I'm just gonna like do it random, kinda. Just because if you like it, that's okay. So now that we got our keyboard, you put it like right there. Let's actually move the monitor a little bit. Right there. We can do our stuff. I'm gonna move this back right there. Now we need a mouse. Grab one of these and then grab one of these too and put it there. Grab another one of these, put it like that, and then connect them. Grab one of these, put it right there, and grab one of these and then put it right there. Now you got a mouse. And then you can put it like right there. Now we need a speaker. So just grab one of these and another one of these and then put them together like that. And then put it right there as a speaker. And then you can make another one of those, if you like, just to make it look nice. And then put it right there. I need to move it back one. Oh. We need to move it there. There. Now we got this sort of set up. And then now we're done. So that's how you make a gaming setup in Monke Blocks. Thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye.